Hi, third graders. This week in your shared reading, you've been reading the story Tiny But Fierce. So for your response to reading activity today, you are going to draw and label a dragonfly. You're going to find photographs of dragonflies from your book. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Find one that is maybe easiest for you to draw, and you're going to draw a picture of it in your reader's notebook. Then you're going to label the parts of the dragonfly's body. So you need to make sure you've labeled its eyes, its jaws, its legs, and its wings. And I put down here that page 13 from Tiny But Fierce would probably be a helpful page. So as you are watching the video or watching the book, you could pause on that page and that page would be helpful to you. So make sure that you're doing this in your reader's notebook and you have put labels for each of the parts that are listed here.